Today, the topic of the presentation is going to be ISO 9000, which of course deals with quality. Quality in the present day market means a characteristic of a product that satisfies the needs of the customer. That is quality. A good quality product should be fit enough to be sold in the market. This is the certification that ISO 9000 gives. This is a stamp. ISO standards are quality management systems. They just give you guidelines on how to process, how to document the processes, and what are the measures to be used for the quality. And from here on, these slides are explained by my teammate Teja in his videos that you've got. And coming to my part, introduction to ISO 9000, which is a family of standards that deals with management systems, and it basically acts as a bridge between the customer needs and the company. This is based on 8 management principles. The whole family standards are based on these principles. These certifications help to satisfy the customers with the top-notch quality products, and the ISO 9000 is basically a set of five guideline standards, where only 3 of them are certification standards, and the other 2 are just guidelines for the rest of the 3, which I'll explain in the next slide. The ISO 9000 is just explains the fundamental quality concepts and gives guidelines for the application of each standard, whereas the 9001 is based on the model for a quality assurance in the design, design development and everything that goes into the production of the product. And ISO 9002 is a quality assurance plan that is mainly focused upon the production and installation of the manufacturing systems. The ISO 9003 quality assurance was mainly focused upon the final inspection and testing which take place of the product. And as we discussed, the 9004 ISO is just a guideline for all the other standards. This is a structural chart of the ISO 9000, which shows how each 9000 differs from the other. From here on, these slides were explained by Teja in his slides. Let me just go to my part. There have been many modifications made to ISO 9000. There were many additions, and there were many versions that came up in 1987, 94, 2018, and the latest one comes down to 2015. As many people have the misconception, ISO 9000 does not certify a whole organization. Many countries have formed an alliance and agreed to accept this ISO 9000 for trading internationally. Steps in obtaining this, in getting this ISO 9000. The first and most important step is the commitment of the top management, because maintaining such a quality requires immense commitment from right from the top management, because for getting all the registration done for the ISO, for the certification. Next, the employees in the company should be trained to give such high quality product output, and then a quality manual should be made, which clearly explains what standards should be used to what. And next, we should plan on how should we operate these procedures. We should build these procedures around the quality management, quality standards, so that we get a good quality product output. Next, we should hold internal audits. Then we have to select a registrar for this registration, and they go through all the registration process, which has a lot of work to do. And then we get an ISO 9000 certification after they verify our product. As we discussed this much, we already know that this has many advantages. Maintaining such a high quality product will obviously give us a more efficient and effective operation, because we try to cut down, reduce the waste, and make a high notch product. So obviously, which that'll improve the customer satisfaction. And many companies even improve their marketing. I mean, enhance the marketing sales by telling people that we have an ISO 9000 certification for the particular product. So this even promotes the international trade. And of course, it has some disadvantage. I wouldn't call the first one the disadvantage, but it needs a lot of effort to be put in to get this registration done for getting an ISO certification. There's a lot of money that has to be put in, a lot of time to get all the paperwork done. And there have been few cases, and there's still a chance that the companies produce low product quality products and cover it up in the documentation. They can just give good quality products while testing and analyzing the product. So this was a possibility back then, but I'm pretty much sure that the ISO people now have measures to uh, avoid this. And this standard is obviously will be a failure if a company is interested in quality. I mean, interested in certification before quality. If a company is focused more upon the certification rather than the quality, I don't think the product is certified. It should be certified. And of course, as every business, even this would have competition from many certifying bodies that would compromise the quality standards. That's in the future, but that has a chance. And then there are many occasions where famous celebrities and I mean chairmen of the companies gave a statement that ISO 9000 increased their sales. Here we see a still quote from FedEx chairman stating that, and IBM also. Uh, so that'll be it for the presentation. Thank you so much.